Hello, Geo Space. I hope and trust that this message finds you well. I am here to deliver your weekly agenda for April 20th through April 24th. So, last week, ideally you would have completed looking at some solutions possible to help mitigate the impacts of the changing climate. A lot of you have done very well on that assignment. That is where you chose three potential solutions from that larger article, dove in a little deeper on those solutions, watched a YouTube video, summarized some information, and that effectively has wrapped up climate change for our purposes, or at least our closer look at climate change. This week, we're going to transition into looking at sources of energy. And so during climate change, we focused a little bit more on the ultimate source of energy, the sun, and how it was connected to the greenhouse effect, and then how that was connected to the changing climate. Turns out there are other sources of energy that humans historically have used to further our race, not just the sun. And so this week gives you the opportunity to look closer at least two of those and create two Instagram posts about them, or rather I should say kind of fake Instagram posts about them, which I will go over. And effectively, that's all that's on the agenda today. So I will jump into directions on that and then let you go. So here's our agenda. Don't forget to email, obviously, with any questions that you have. Again, a reminder that anything you do from this point to the end pretty much is just going to help your grade. If you do anything that has anything to do with this class and let me know, I will essentially find a way to put points in for you, and your grade can only go up. So I encourage you to keep doing that at the very least. So pretty easy week. You have a resource here that is a PDF with many different sources of energy. Okay, we have biomass. You have coal, you have geothermal, you have hydropower, natural gas, petroleum, aka oil, solar, uranium, sorry, I went a little fast on that, or nuclear energy, wind. That's them. So quite a few different sources of energy. Your goal today is to choose two, okay? And you're going to use the information on that PDF to create what you have assigned to you. You have your own copy of this document, which is actually the Instagram template energy sources. And so you have some pretty simple directions here. It's larger. You're going to choose one renewable source of energy, and you're going to choose one non-renewable energy source. Okay, so those are given here, right? You have biomass, geothermal, hydropower, solar, and wind, which are considered renewable, meaning that they never run out. And then contrasting non-renewable energy sources, coal, natural gas, oil, and nuclear power, technically non-renewable. They don't replenish themselves. You choose one of each, and then you use that PDF to get information to fill in an Instagram template, which is going to be on the next page of this Google slide presentation. So you find the template on the next page, and then on that template, you're going to use these requirements to fill in and make your Instagram post. Okay, so you're going to title your post. You'll have to add a picture on your post. And then in the caption area, you're going to include one word, then one phrase, and one sentence that summarizes the topic. Okay, so we've done sort of that type of thing in the past, but read through all the information and in as condensed version as possible using one word, one sentence, and one phrase, as well as some hashtags you should represent that energy source. Okay, those hashtags should represent the benefits of that energy source. Okay, so here are what the templates look like. Notice you'll put your energy source as the title, put a picture. Again, one word, one sentence, one phrase that summarizes information from that PDF, and then add as many hashtags as you can that kind of promote the benefits of that energy source. Again, you need one renewable and one non-renewable source of energy. But that is pretty much all I'm requiring this week. Pretty straightforward week. Shouldn't be too stressful. As always, obviously, if you have questions or confusion about the week's assignments, send me an email. If you have any missing work or any late work, also notify me about that stuff. I can definitely get you points where they are deserved, but keep up the good work. And that's all I have. So good luck.